Hi, I have a simple question for this video. Are bonsai pots with large drainage holes intelligently designed? By large holes I mean they are so large that they require a plastic mesh screen to be placed on the base and fixed with a metal wire so that the soil medium does not drain out of the pot. Is that an intelligent design? I see this pattern in pots with one hole or two holes. I am just a bonsai artist with just 1 year experience. To all the people who have more experience than me, maybe 2 years, 5 years or even 50 years, or if you are connected to a good bonsai artist who has personally trained you, please ask them why this bonsai pots with extremely large drainage holes is intelligent. What is the thought process behind it? I would like to know. I'll explain my case in the video ahead and have a look at that, and please educate me, please explain to me why you think this is intelligent. I genuinely cannot understand the reason for that. If the logic for a large drainage hole is merely to allow the water to escape from the pot quickly, then I would ask what is wrong with this design. These have small 8 holes and this has one big hole. The drainage area, the total drainage area of both these pots is the same. That means if I fill both of them with water completely to the top, they both will drain out at the same rate because the drainage area is same. But the approach is different. This one big single hole will prevent the soil medium from staying inside. It will drain out. So to prevent that from happening, I have to use a plastic mesh and then use a piece of wire to attach it firmly to the base of the pot. So what this is doing is forcing me to go through the extra procedure, wasting my time, effort and metal and plastic. Whereas smaller drainage holes don't require this. The soil will not drain out from this. So why have big, large, gigantic holes in bonsai pots or even regular pots and then go through unnecessarily through this pointless ritual of fixing a plastic screen and wasting metal, unnecessarily wasting metal. So please explain to me what is the logic behind this. This here is a molded plastic bonsai pot and it gives the impression that there were two big holes here and a plastic mesh has been kept on top. But this is one single mold. Okay. So what is the logic of concentrating all these holes in these two spots? If these same holes were spread out uniformly on the floor of the pot, would that make a difference to the plant? Would that make a difference to the drainage? The area of drainage holes is still the same. Does this look intelligent to you? What is the logic of concentrating the holes here like this? This is a simple setup to test the drainage speed of both these pot designs. The pot on the left has one big hole, the pot on the right has 8 small holes. So the drainage area is same in both these cases. That means when they are filled with water, the water should drain out at the same rate, more or less at the same rate. So let me dip it completely and test if that is actually the case or not. Okay, they are fully submerged now. It's almost the same. Full submerged. Almost the same rate of drainage, which means that the drainage area is the same in both these cases. Now in the beginning, if you remember, the logic for the big hole was that this will drain out water faster. Now instead of 8 holes, if I increase the number of holes, what happens? Oh, this is amazing. This is magic. Oh my God. The drainage is far superior in this. I don't believe this. How can this be possible? So please tell me why you think the pot with one large hole is superior compared to the other two pots. This pot has the same drainage as the main one and this has even more drainage. So if your goal was to let out the water quickly, then this is the design that you should be going for. But across the world, this kind of pots are very common with gigantic holes with less number of holes. Maybe 1, 2, at the most 4. And this kind of a design forces you to have a plastic mesh and attach a metal piece of wire and waste time, effort money, plastic and metal. Large drainage holes in ceramic bonsai pots. See, this is what I meant. Look at the size of this hole. Why go through this pain? Why? Check out this article on my blog. It's called Good Drainage and Aeration Begins with the Pot, Not Soil. But Vinny, where do I get pots like that? And with ceramic pots, what can I do about it? Wait a minute. Are you saying that the current design is not intelligent? I didn't hear that. I'm growing old. Maybe because I'm 42. I just can't hear properly. Can you say that again, please? Is the current design intelligent or not? Please add in your comments.